If you are searching for a dropshipping free trial, you're probably trying to answer one simple question. Can you actually start dropshipping without paying upfront to start building your website? And the answer is yes, but there's different platforms such as Shopify and Wix. So the main difference is that Shopify is way easier to start and you don't have to pay anything upfront. So the first 3 days you can start for completely free after building your store, and then you will pay only $1 for 3 months. So in this 3 months you can try to promote your store and learn about dropshipping if you haven't know anything about dropshipping yet, and try to test it out. In 3 months, 90 days, this is enough time to dip your feet in the water to learn in and out of dropshipping. There's a ton of tutorial video on YouTube, and you can run ads on TikTok. You can even go organic on TikTok, create video for your own product. But if you don't start, you will never know what could happen. So I don't want you to stay on the what if mindset, and the better way to do it is to take the advantage of this free trial. Right now Shopify giving away 3 months for only $1, and then it might end soon. So how you get it? I don't think it's on every country, but I will provide you this secret link in the description of this video. When you click on this link, and you will come to a page look like this, and you will click on start for free, literally that easy, and then it will tell you start your free trial. 3 days guys, for free. You only have to put your email address and then click continue, and then after you click continue, you will have to add your card information. Don't worry, they will not charge you yet, and after 3 days you will get charged $1. That's it. And then when you get charged $1, you will able to build your store and do everything. But first you got to take advantage of this discount, so it won't stay forever. When it's gone, it's gone. When it's gone, it might be only 3 days for $1, and then this one might be gone. The 3 month might be gone. So I will leave the link for you guys. If you want to start with dropshipping, this is the best way to start.